Updates coming in right now in connection with the Delhi-Meerut Rapid Rail project. The top court has now pulled up Delhi government. This is, of course, a wrap over the non-compliance of the Supreme Court order. The Supreme Court has now given an ultimatum to the Delhi government. The Supreme Court has said pay 415 crore rupees by November 28. This is the ultimatum that has been given by the Supreme Court to the Delhi government in connection with the Delhi-Meerut Rapid Rail project. The Aam Aadmi Party government, of course, being pulled up by the Supreme Court over a non-compliance of the Supreme Court order. And now the Delhi government has been asked to pay up the balance of 415 crore rupees by November 28. And now the Supreme Court has, of course, wrapped up the Delhi government and has said that if this does not happen within a week, the advertisement funds of the Delhi government this year will be transferred to this particular project. This is the ultimatum that the Supreme Court has, of course, now given the Delhi government, and clearly there the top court being tough when it comes to this particular project and its non-compliance by the Arvind Kejriwal government. My colleague Harish joins us on the broadcast to get us more information on this. Harish, of course, this is, of course, the Supreme Court that is talking tough. The Supreme Court has now, of course, directed the Delhi government to pay up the balance of 415 crore rupees by November 28, or the top court says that it will seize this year's advertisement funds and divert it for this particular project.
Yes, a big development as far as the non-payment by the Delhi government for its share of RRTS project is concerned. Supreme Court bench led by Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul has pulled up Delhi government for not yet paying its share of funds for RRTS project, and has very significantly stayed and attached this year's share of advertisement budget and directed that it be paid for RRTS project. Supreme Court has, however, kept today's order in abeyance for a week and issued an ultimatum to the Delhi government to pay the amount, that is rupees 415 crore, within a week, or said that we will direct that the advertisement funds of this year will be transferred to the regional rapid transport system project. Supreme Court has wrapped the Delhi government, saying that if 1,100 crore can be spent on advertisements in 3 years, why can't contribution be made for infra projects? So a very, very significant development as far as this is concerned. Supreme Court has asked the government to pay up rupees 415 crore within a week, or said it will attach this year's advertisement budget, which will go to the RRTS project. Back to you.
Right, Harish, appreciate you joining us on the broadcast there with all those details.